Hey guys, this video will show you how you can schedule an email campaign using the WeMail plugin for your WordPress email marketing. Here is an example of a campaign that was scheduled according to a specific time. As you can see, it has already been sent and has been opened by some of our subscribers. So from your WeMail dashboard, head over to Campaigns. Now click on Create New to create a new campaign. In our case, we're going to create a standard campaign. We have a separate video tutorial on new post notification. The link for this will be given down below. But for now, we'll stick to standard since this video tutorial is going to be on scheduling a campaign. So go ahead and set your campaign name. Then hit Next. Now go ahead and set the subject for your campaign. Then set the brand name of your company, as well as the business email of your company. Now go ahead and select a list. We have more video tutorials on email list and managing email lists, so be sure to check the links down below. You can also add segments. Again, we have many video tutorials on segments and tags and how you can filter your users. So when you're done creating the basics, click on Create Campaign. So in the third step, you now have to choose a campaign template. In my case, I will go for this one. You can now customize your template if needed. In my case, I will just go ahead and delete these sections. And I will edit the title. In my case, I'm done with the customization, so let's save and move on to the next step. So hit Save and Close. And click on Next. In the settings stage, be sure to set the pre-header. Then move on to check the from name and email and the reply to name and email. This looks okay for now, so let's move on to the main focus of today's video, the scheduling of your campaign. If you want, you can choose to send the campaign right away, or you can schedule this. So click on Schedule if you want to set the time. Set the date and the time. Then choose your time zone. If you want your campaign to be delivered according to the recipient's time zone, be sure to check this box. When you are happy with your settings, be sure to click on Next. In the final step, you can review your campaign. You can still make changes, so if you have any second thoughts, you can click on Back. And as you can see, you can still make changes to your scheduling. If you're happy with your campaign and the timing of your campaign, just scroll down and click on Next. Then click Schedule, and your campaign will be on its way based on the schedule you set using the WeMail plugin. This is how your scheduled campaign will look like. And once your users start to respond, you can click on the campaign to check how well your campaign is doing with your subscribers from around the world. If you ever need help, you can also refer to the Help section where you will find links to our videos, blogs, and documentation. And that's it. Feel free to contact for more information or check out getwemail.io. And subscribe to our channel.